Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and you know the screen time passcode. This unlocks restriction controls. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions and authenticate. Once done, choose Allowed Apps or Allowed Content to see system-level toggles. Flip any app back on to restore visibility. You're doing this because restrictions often hide built-in apps. Restoring the toggle reverses that. Make sure to proceed while Face ID or passcode is ready so you don't get locked out mid-step. Next, you handle third-party apps removed from home screen but still installed. Swipe left to open the app library, search for the app, then long press its icon and choose Add to Home Screen to put it back where you expect. If the app isn't in the app library, check Settings right arrow General right arrow iPhone Storage to confirm it's installed. If not, reinstall from the App Store. Once done, make sure home screen layout isn't filtered by a focus mode, which could re-hide apps until you disable that filter. To finish, verify App Store and purchase restrictions under Screen Time, right arrow Content Restrictions. Some settings can hide apps by age rating or purchase controls, so adjust them accordingly. If an app was deleted, reinstall it from the App Store, then restart your iPhone to clear temporary state issues. If the app still won't appear, temporarily turn off screen time to confirm restrictions are the culprit. If that solves it, re-enable screen time and reconfigure only the rules you need. This targeted toggle is.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.